Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure InDesign to build a brand brochure for US print step by step clearly. Open Adobe InDesign. Create a new document by selecting File and then New. In the New Document dialog box, set the intent to print. Change the number of pages to the desired count for. Set the page size to letter 4 standard US print dimensions. Ensure the orientation is set to portrait or landscape based on your design preference. Add a bleed of 0.125 inches to all sides to allow for trimming later. Select OK to create the new document. Activate the Pages panel by going to Window and then Pages. Set up your master pages by selecting the A Master page in the Pages panel. Double-click the A Master page to edit it. Add guidelines for margins by dragging from the rulers on the top and sides. Create text frames for headings and body text using the Type tool. Draw shapes for images or background colors with the Rectangle tool. Import images by selecting File, then Place, and choose your desired image file. Position and resize your images within the frames as needed. Use the Swatches panel to apply colors and styles to your text and shapes. Add text for your brochure content using the Type tool. Format your text by selecting it and adjusting the font, size, and alignment in the Character panel. Make sure to leave spaces for contact information and calls to action. Save your progress regularly by selecting File and then Save As. When your design is complete, check for alignment and spacing. Use the Pre-Flight panel to ensure there are no errors in your document. Export your finished brochure by selecting File, then Export. Choose the PDF format for print and select your desired quality settings. Set the compatibility to a version suitable for your printing service. Ensure the options for use document bleed settings are selected. Click Export to create your print-ready PDF. Review the PDF to confirm that all elements are correctly positioned. Prepare to send your brochure to the printer or distribute it digitally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.